Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have a Dollar Tree haul. I went with the hubs. Diamond had other plans. She couldn't take me today. So when the hubby got home, I'm like, can you take me to Dollar Tree? Hobby Lobby? And Joann's? And he's like, sure. Well, I walked out of Hobby Lobby with nada. Not one item. Walked out of Joann's, not one item. How many people can say they can walk in a craft store and walk out with nothing? Well, I went to check out Hobby Lobby's clearance that everybody was been hauling. Mine ain't clearanced out yet. And so I may go back later this week. If I miss it, I miss it. It's, one of those things. So then I went to Joann's to look at a magazine I was going to order online, but the stamps, I kept looking at the stamps, and it looked small to me, so I thought, I'm going to swing into Joann's to see if they have the magazine and see what size these stamps are. And they were tiny. They were only like this. So that saved me some money. So then the Dollar Tree. And a big haul, but a good size haul, I guess, or an okay size. Well, what do we want to start with? Let's start with everyday items. I'm always looking for something for birthdays. And they only had one pack of these. I'd have picked up more than one. I've had these before. But when I go to do a birthday card or something, I'm always looking for something birthday. And I don't have much birthday. So I picked that up. And then I have seen, let's see, I'll get the ones I've seen before. Alright. And I grabbed them, but I'm pretty sure I actually have these already. The green, and I'm looking, I do. So I have the green. This is one I don't think I have, is the blue, the purple, and the orange tones. And I know I have these. I've used these a lot, so I picked up 2 packs of them. But along with these, I've never seen these in my store before. And I grabbed 3 packs of the hummingbirds. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, I've never seen the hummingbirds. And I've never seen like the bees and the June bugs or the dragonflies or the flamingos. So I grabbed 2 packs of them. So that is everyday items, as I'm going to call it. What I mean by every day, it's probably be restocked off and on. So I grabbed that. Now, to the Halloween items. Before I get to Halloween, I'll share this. Calligraphy. Can't speak again. I bought this for myself. It's supposed to be used with Crayola, broad line, or super tip markers. I've been trying to learn. I can't say that word right now. You know what I mean. Wow. Calligraphy. I bought it because it had the sheets on that I can photocopy and make, I should start practicing again. So I thought it was pretty cool. They only had this one because they're in the back. When I turned it over, they had like 2 other ones. But they only had this one, so I grabbed it. I'm going to photocopy some of them off to start practicing that again. I got to get into that again. Now, to Halloween. Picked up these pack of glow-in-the-dark palm bones. There's 10 pieces in here. I don't care if they go. I just wanted the hands for a project. Got me some balls. And have them in future project. And then I found the webbing. The webbing finally came into my store. I've been waiting for this for a while. I want these little black spiders. I'm going to have to go to Walmart to get me some more spiders. And then I bought me a package of the creepy cloth. I know I have some of this, but I grabbed another pack just to have it because I've actually used this throughout the year. Then, finally, I've been waiting for these to come in. So I was talking about them the other day. The little skeletons on the string. I've been wanting these for a project. So I bought 3 packs. So this time next year, I ain't waiting for Dollar Tree. That I actually have a spare pack. So I have a feeling I'm going to use at least 1.5 for the project I need. And then I wanted a spare, so I ain't sitting next year going, when are they coming out? No, that is. The next thing I picked up was the Spooky Sticker Face book. I thought it was cute for Riley. This is cute. is you get the markers, stickers. Oh, look at all of them, stickers. Come on, camera. There we go. And then the little faces, like this is the cat, the witch. I think it's supposed to be Count Dracula. A bug. Yeah, I don't know who that is. Maybe it's supposed to be from Mrs. Frankenstein. Bride of Frankenstein. I always say Mrs. Diamond laughs at me. There's Frankie. Frankie's my favorite character. A ghost. Oh, another witch. Are the witch? Are they the same picture? Oh, they're changed a little bit. Yeah, they are. They're different pictures. The cat again. The ghost. Like a Count Dracula. Bride of Frankenstein. Frankie with a cupcake. What did he have in his hand back here? What did he have in his hand back here? Actually, it's got a mouse on it. I think I'm more excited. Oh, same one. Just different color. They're just different colors. Okay. And then a witch again, and a bug, and a green kitty cat, and more stickers to make faces. I thought it was just cute. I thought Riley would like that. The biggest find for me today, besides the little skeletons that I've been wanting, is a book. Yeah, let me move all this out of the way. And I was actually going to buy this not too long ago. It's the most beautiful My Life with Prince by Mayte Garcia. She was married to Prince. And at one time, this book cost $27. And I still am a big Prince fan. So let's see. Let's check out the pictures. I like checking out the pictures. So I'm going to read this. Of course I'm going to read it. Where's our pictures? There we go. And we probably wouldn't even know who she was if she didn't marry Prince. She's the only woman that had his child, but it passed away. Yeah. Probably the only woman he actually loved, too. But he did marry after her. It's a very pretty woman. Neat and Gia, my light, my everything. Also, she adopted a child. So I'm going to read that. So that was a cool find. Let's see, she's an international acclaimed dancer, actress, singer, choreographer. She has appeared in numerous films and television shows, including Army Wives, Psycho, The Closer, Nip and Tuck. She lives in Los Angeles with her young daughter. Cool. Everyone who knew this extraordinary man, friend, family, and fans, had their own stories to tell. This is my story. I need to share it in my own way, just as he shared it in his. I wanted to peel back the layers and let you know the man I loved. The good, the bad, the sad, and the beautiful. Mayte Garcia from the introduction. Cool. So, I'll be checking that out. I thought that was a cool find. So, that's all I got, everybody. I kept you here for 8 minutes almost. 9 minutes, actually. So, that's all I got. Like I said, it was not a very good trip for me. I was looking for other things. Diamond didn't go with me, so I'd have probably showed more because she has a lot of projects she wanted me to do, but I didn't know what she wanted me to pick up, so I didn't pick up anything for what she wanted or thought she might want. So she may come into town tomorrow and we'll go. I don't know. Trying to say, like, Hobby Lobby was a fail. The only thing they had on clearance I found was something I don't use. So I might go back next week. And Joann's, I never find much at Joann's because I think their prices are crazy. And that's it, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful Thursday. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Have a good day or good night. Bye.